welcome to my channel, and here we are going to solve this mechanical drawing problem. And we are instructed here that figure 1.2 shows a machine part drawn in first angle projection with shaft and bush. With the part completely assembled, draw the question A sectional front view YY, and question B plan, question C left end view. Alright, so these are the views as we are given here. This is the front elevation and this is the plan, and we are to insert this bush in here, and also the shaft we have to put it here, and we do the assembling, and we are going to have it also drawn in the plan according to what we are asked that to be assembled. But the first thing that we are going to do as we are instructed here is to draw sectional front view YY. So you're going to see how I'm going to do it here right now. So let's start. But let's talk about the dimensions on the views, as we have here that in the front elevation we have the distance from here to here to be 65 millimeters, from here to here is 15, from here to here is 12, and from here to here is 5, from here to here is 12, and then we also have that from this center line here to this point is 35, and then distance from here to here is 6, from here to here is 24, from here to here is 6, and from here to here is 25. And then coming to the plan, we have that distance from this center line to this end here is 100, from here to here is 60, and from this center line to this point here we have it to be 35 millimeters, and then we have the diameter of this circle is 36, and then we also have the distance from here to here is 76 millimeters, from here to here is 32, from here to here is 32. Okay, and then we also have that the distance of this point, so from here is 5, that's in the plan. But and then we also have that these two holes, their diameter is 12 millimeters each. Also for the bush, distance from here to here is 25, and then the distance from here to here is 3. Also in the shaft, the distance from here to here is 25, from here to here is 5, from here to here is 25, and here we also have distance from here to here to be 18 millimeters. So we are going to put this part together to obtain the sectional front view YY as we are instructed. So let's start. So the first thing that we are going to do here is that we are going to produce a horizontal line, just a short horizontal line here like this. Okay, then the next thing that I'm going to do is that I'm going to draw a vertical line. Okay, so let me extend this horizontal line a little bit. So we extend it like this. Then I'm going to draw a vertical center line here. So I'll draw a vertical center line here like this. So we are working on the sectional front view as we are instructed. Then on this center line that I have here, I will take a measurement of 65 millimeters from here. So this is 65 millimeters. So we have this 65. Then I will take 15 millimeters up. So this 15 millimeters. So as I have that, so here I'm going to on the horizontal, let me take that of the horizontal. So on the horizontal, I'm going to take 100 millimeters from this center line, 100 millimeters, this 100 millimeters. I have that. Okay, then from this point where we have 100 millimeters, I'm going to take a measurement of 60 millimeters from here to here. Also on this horizontal line, this is 60 millimeters from this point. This is 60 millimeters here. Okay, so what I will do now is that I want to draw this shape that we have here. I want to draw it out. So first of all, I'm going to draw a horizontal line. So from here, from where I have that 15, then I'm going to draw a vertical line at this point. So this vertical line, I will draw this vertical line up. and also this vertical line, I will draw it up like this. Okay, then as we can see here that distance from here to here is 12, from here to here is 12, and from here to here is 5. So I'm going to take a measurement of 12 millimeters from this end. So from here I will take 12 millimeters. So this is 12 millimeters here, and also from this end I will also take 12 millimeters. Then I'm going to take 5 millimeters here on this line from this point here. So let me first of all draw that 5. So this is 5 millimeters. Then at this point I will draw a vertical line. So here I will draw a vertical line, and then also here I will draw a vertical line. So I'm done with that part. The next thing I'm going to do is that so with what we have here, so I've already taken that 60. So I need to draw this web. I'm looking at what we have here. So I'm going to draw this line. Here I will draw this line. So I'll draw it to this side also. Then from this center here, from this center to this end is 35. So I'm going to take a measurement of 35 millimeters from this center, 35 millimeters from the center here. So this is 35 millimeters. And looking at what we have here, so this point where this 35 end is joined with this point here, so I can go directly and join these 2 points together like this. Okay, so we have what we have this. Then another thing that we have is that I need to get this point. I need to get it. If I'm able to get this point, I'll be able to draw this line. So how do I do that? I need to take a measurement of 25 millimeters down. So I will come to the center line here and take a measurement of 25 millimeters down from this point. This is 25 millimeters. This is 25 millimeters. So here I'm going to draw horizontal line. So I will draw this as horizontal line like this. The next thing that I'm going to do is that if I add all these dimensions together, we have this to be 6 plus 24, that is 30 plus 6, that's 36. So 36 by 2, that will give us 18 millimeters. I will come to this point here and I will take 18 millimeters to this side and 18 millimeters to this side, making it 36 millimeters. So now, I can now join this point together. So I will join this point, I will join them together like this. So to form that part that we have there. So then I'm going to draw, for this one, I'm going to draw it as a vertical line. So here I will draw this as a vertical line up like this. And then coming here, I will also draw this as a vertical line. So this is it. Alright, so then the next thing that I'm going to do here is that I need to show this hole, and then I'm bringing this into this part as we have here. So distance from here to here is 24. So it is entering into this. This part. But first of all, I need to get these two lines here. So this is the front elevation. Normally in the solid component as an isometric view, this should be hidden as we have it in the orthography. But when we cut it, so it's going to be exposed. But first of all, let's locate this line and this line. So I'm going to take 6 millimeters. So I will take 6 millimeters from this point. This is 6 millimeters here. Okay, we have this 6 millimeters. Then coming to this point also, I will take 6 millimeters. So this is 6 millimeters. So then here I'm going to draw a vertical line. So I will draw a vertical line here, and then coming to this end here, I will draw a vertical line like this. Okay, so we have that. Then another thing that we are going to have here, another thing that we are going to put here is that I'm inserting this into this part here. So if I insert this into it. So by the time we cut it, this line will be exposed and this line will be exposed. So let's bring it in. We already have distance from here to here is equal to distance from here to here. It is 24. So what I just need to do is that they said that distance from here to here is 3 millimeters. So it is that 3 millimeters that I will take on both sides. So from this point here, I will take 3 millimeters. So this is 3 millimeters here. And then I will also take 3 millimeters from here. So this is 3 millimeters. So here I'm going to draw a vertical line. So I'll draw a vertical line here. Okay, so I'll also draw a vertical line here. Alright, so we have put that. So the next thing that we are going to do is that I need to bring this one, I need to bring it in. And then this one is entering into this part here. This part that we have here, which is 25 millimeters, is entering into this part, while this one will be up and this will be up. So that is what we have there. But first of all, the total length from here to here, we have 25 plus 5 plus 25, that is 55. Okay, so I need to take a measurement of 55, but before that, I need to draw a vertical line, a vertical center line up this. I need to extend this like this. Then I'm going to take a measurement of 55 millimeters. From this point, we take a measurement of 55 millimeters. So this is 55 millimeters. Okay, so then I'm going to this point. So I will draw a horizontal line at this point. So here I will draw a horizontal line like this. Okay, so then so I need to extend this line. So I will extend this line up. Okay, so also I will extend this line, so it goes up like this. Alright, so then what I just need to do now is that I will take a measurement of 5 millimeters. 5 millimeters. I will take 5 millimeters from this point up. So this is 5 millimeters. Then I'm going to draw a horizontal line here. Here I will draw a horizontal line like this. Alright, so then we need to get the so distance from here to here. So this is so everything here is what is 24. This is 24. So it is 24. So that 24, so which I've taken, so that 24 is distance from here to here, which I've taken on. So this is 24. So what I need to do is to extend this 24. So I'm going to make it a thick line now. So I'll make it a thick line. So that 24. Okay. I'll make it a thick line at once. And then also I will also make this a thick line for that 24. Alright, so then here we are going to have this line. So this line will be a thick line, and this line will also be a thick line like this. And then so we make this line a thick line, and then so we are going to expose the shaft. So the shaft will be exposed. So we are going to have this line to be a thick line, and this line will also be a thick line. So I need to make this line here, I need to make it a thick line. Then here also it will be a thick line like this. Alright, so then this part here, so this line will be a thick line. So it will be a thick line for the bush. Okay, then at the end here, so this line will be a thick line. Alright, so just let me go on and produce the outlines that have to be taken. Then when I'm done with that, I will show you the next thing to do. Alright, so I've taken the parts that need to be taken. The next thing that we are going to do now is to hash some parts. Okay, so don't forget that this is a component on its own up to this part here, and the bush that we have here, so it's a component. So we are going to hash this surface and this surface, and then for this base here, so we are going to hash this surface and this surface here. You are not to thicken this part here, this line, this part here, you are not to make it thick, so you have to leave it like this. Then also you are not to thicken this line, so if you do that, that's an error. So because it's going to be as we cut it, as it is cut, so we are not going to make this line a thick line. Also, we are not going to hash this surface. This is a web, so we don't hash a web when it comes to sectional views. So let me do the hatching of this surface. So with our 45-degree set square, so we hash this surface like this. Okay, so I'm supposed to okay. So as I'm hashing this line, this part, I need to hash this surface. Okay. So it goes together with this. So I will hash this. Also, I will draw this line. So now I have this. So this goes with this part. And if I hash this, it goes with this. So the action is being done. Alright, so then for the bush that we are going to hash, so we are going to hash it in different direction. So you have to hash it in different direction. You must not have them hash them in the same direction. So we hash this in this direction. Alright, so we have done that. So for this one, so it goes like this. Alright, so we have hashed it. Alright, so having hashed the pattern to be hashed, so we need to write it down here, sectional front view. While it's as simple as I've done it here, all you need to do is to practice. When you practice it, you become a master at it. Thank you and God bless you. Let's meet on the second video, that is for the plan. Thank you.